Dear students, family members, welcome to the Spring 2019 Preview Day at the College of Engineering and Computing Sciences at New York Institute of Technology. My name is Dastgheib-Beheshti. I'm the Dean of the College, and it is my pleasure to give you this brief message to welcome you and give you a little bit of overview of the College of Engineering. If you go to the NYIT website, you'll notice that there's a number of bragging points that really distinguish us nationwide. I have just put a couple in here just to show you that we are well respected and well known in terms of the quality of education at undergraduate and graduate level that we provide our students. In particular, you can see that we have been rated one of the top best 35 undergraduate engineering programs in the US, and as well as the top 50 undergraduate computer science degrees with international students. In terms of the size, currently we have about 1,300 undergraduate students in our two campuses in total, and in addition to 500 graduate students. Very quickly, hopefully by the end of the preview day, you will be convinced that we do have a top-notch faculty that are engaged in teaching really the state-of-the-art curricula, and our curricula is being guided by a very engaged industry advisory board at each program level, and we are very proud of all of the in-classroom and out-of-classroom activities to make our students job ready as soon as they are graduated. Very quickly, the couple of statistics for you just to be aware of. These are not created by us. These are from the National Association of Colleges and Employers. So in terms of the latest average salaries by discipline, you notice the top two salaries are undergraduate degrees, bachelor's degrees in engineering with the national average of $66,000 a year, followed by computer science, just about a couple hundred below that. Again, remember, these are national averages for all of the states within the union. So you can imagine in states with the higher cost of living, such as New York, these averages are actually higher. So there is a financial sort of a silver lining once you reach the point of graduation. Also, in terms of just engineering, we do offer, as you will learn, electrical, mechanical, and electrical and computer engineering are combined. So again, these are amongst the top salary makers coming out of college. And finally, for those of you who may be thinking about graduate school afterwards, and I know it looks like an eternity away, but just so that you are aware of it, on the average, there are at least more than $10,000 difference in starting salary with a bachelor's degree and master's degree. So hopefully what you will learn today is that if you maintain your GPA by your junior year, you actually can enter our accelerated four-year plus 1 year program, which means that you can complete your master's degree within 1 year after you finish your bachelor's degree. And you walk away out of here with 2 degrees and obviously a much, much better positioning to start your careers. Quick facts, we are located in 2 New York-based campuses. One of them is in Old Westbury, Long Island, and the other one is in New York City, around Columbus Circle. We do have a graduate center in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. In there, we do offer 2 programs from the College of Engineering, Masters in Cybersecurity and Masters in Energy Management. In terms of the bachelor's degrees that we are offering in the College of Engineering, you see them on the left side of the slide set. And master's degrees that you could follow after you complete your bachelor's degrees on the right-hand side. We do keep adding to the portfolio of our programs based on the market and industry demand. And I'm very pleased to tell you that our first 2 PhD doctorate programs have been approved by the Senate within NYIT, and we are looking forward to offering our PhD programs in a year and a half or so. And what it means, it simply means more top-notch faculty, more top-notch research, simply topping off on what we already have in the college. And by the way, if you're not sure what particular major within the College of Engineering you're interested in, that's okay. The first year of coursework within the College of Engineering is pretty much common to all of the programs, which means that you will have a chance, particularly by taking part in the mandatory course, Career Discovery. You will be exposed to various project-oriented introductions to the different majors, mechanical, electrical, computer science, and so forth, so that you could form an opinion of which of these majors you're most interested in. By the end of the first year, you really want to have made up your mind, because then the major courses do begin after the beginning of the second year, and you can always switch majors, but just be aware that you will be losing some courses if your switching of the majors is fairly drastic. We do have a couple of minors and graduate certificates that I just point out in here, but you could learn about them more once you get started at NYIT. A very important note about accreditation that you need to be aware of. The engineering programs that we offer in mechanical engineering and computer and electrical engineering programs are accredited by ABET, which is a independent international organization that gives a seal of approval to the quality and standards that the program is held to. Our electrical and computer engineering technology program is also accredited by the Technology Accreditation, Engineering Technology Accreditation Board of the ABET, and our computer science program is also accredited by the Computing Accreditation Commission of ABET. So what it means that our faculty, our facilities, our support services, our curriculum, all are vetted and seen to be meeting the very rigorous standards that ABET holds in accrediting all of these programs nationwide and in many other regions of the world. Just again, a very quick view for you of all of the top-notch state-of-the-art research that is going on within our institution, particularly College of Engineering, and the opportunities that are available for our undergraduate students to participate in hands-on research and really learning the state-of-the-art about many of the areas that you see here with our faculty. So this is really a phenomenal opportunity for the students to get engaged as soon as they start at NYIT. We do have an Entrepreneurship and Technology Innovation Center, ETIC, whose sole mission is to provide a maker space, an innovation center for our students. It's a hub of activity. We have projects ongoing in there, from cybersecurity to robotics to manufacturing and so forth. And the students get trained and certified for internships, participate in national hackathons and competitions, and we do have actually a pipeline for internships in the industry, in the local industry, designed through the ETIC Center. And I will skip on that because I basically talked about it. We do have a vibrant student club organizations, set of organizations running in our campuses. You see some of the logos in here. And the important thing is that these professional organizations hone your skills and prepare you for the leadership skills that you do need going out to the job market, allow you to network with your peers and colleagues, provides an environment of collegiality and making friends and bonding relations on campus. And of course, we do pay for a lot of our students who are active to enter and participate in the national conferences that are being held by these organizations. A lot of our students who have attended these have ended up getting jobs or on-the-spot job offers, of course, towards the later years in their senior year once they attend these conferences. So I urge you, once you join NYIT in your respective programs, definitely talk to our student engagement staff to participate in one of these clubs. And finally, very quickly, some inspirational pictures. We do have a number of outreach programs. We do have a summer academy for high school students that come and engage in an intensive 2-week hands-on project-oriented set of workshops in our both campuses in New York City and Long Island. Our students keep bringing points of pride to us. The picture that you see here is just from early on March of 2019, where the NYIT team was the first place winner in the Micromouse competition, which is a robotic competition, and the competition was held amongst multiple universities in the northeastern United States region, New York, New Jersey, and New England. And this picture is a group picture of all of the participants in addition to the Team NYIT. And I will end my comments by a quote from an unknown source. And the intent behind it is to really impart upon you the mindset, the innovative, the creative mindset that we would like to build upon in our students throughout the 4 or so years that they are with us at NYIT. So to the optimist, the glass is half full, you know that. To the pessimist, the glass is half empty. But to the engineer, technologist, a computer scientist, the glass is twice as big as it needs to be. So this is the practical mindset that we are trying to develop throughout our curriculum and throughout all the other out-of-classroom activities. So with that, I end my remarks. I thank you all for having taken the time to be here today, and I am very hopeful that by the end of the day, you have made your mind that NYIT is the place for you to start the first step towards building your careers. Thank you all and enjoy the day.